Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a second method to removing K from the CMYK, and we'll be also adding a fake K. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head into the actual program. So I'm over here in CorelDraw. Now, in the previous mini-series, we looked at a way of removing our K from CMYK and adding a fake K. And like I mentioned, you'll be doing this for, let's say, your printer's black has run out, black ink, but you still need to bring dark shades in or dark colors. It won't be 100% black, but it will definitely be a nice fake as to having no black at all. Now this method is a little bit more simple, but we're not going to be running into too much of the theory of what is CMYK versus RGB and all of that, where we've covered that in the previous mini-series. So now what I'm going to do is, first steps are not too important, but it is important to get an image in. So I'm just going to go File, New, and we add quickly a new image. I'm going to leave all of this as it is. It's not that important because we're not going to be using this for very long. This is just so it allows us to import an image. So I'm going to go now to File. After we've created this, then let me zoom here for you guys. Then we're going to go down until we find Import. The shortcut for that is Control-I. I'm going to click that. And then what we want to do is navigate to an image. I'm just going to select this one, say Import, and it will give us an option where we want to put it. I'm going to put it top left, and then just zoom here so we can see the image nicely. So we can see there's quite a nice amount of black in here. Now it's going to be a bit washed out in the final result, but it's way better, like I said, than having no black at all. So now what I'm going to do is, we're going to edit this image now. So there's two ways we can go about it. You can either on your actual object manager, you can have your image over there, you can right click it and you can say edit bitmap. Or we can go on top main menu over here. We click on, let me just fix the zoom again, click on bitmap, and then we go down to edit bitmap. So I'm going to click that, and while it loads, we kind of no longer need this part, but we have to leave it, unfortunately, till we are done with the actual bitmap. Otherwise, it's going to give us some problems. So now what I'm going to do, the image opened, I'm going to full screen this. So now you can see we have like some different tools and different layouts and stuff we can use from here. Now to do the actual transformation of the image, we're going to need a few panels open to allow us to do that. And these two panels is going to be our object manager and our channels. Now I currently have it open, but let's say you do not have them open here. Then what you can do is you simply go to Window on top, you go to Docker, and then we find first the Object Manager. And I click that so we can see our actual layers and the mode. And then what we're going to do is we can click on this plus over here or go to the same place. So I'm just going to click on the plus. Then we're going to add this next one, which is Channels. So this will allow us to see the current channels of our image. So which we can see here, we've got the base, which all of them, or we've got the red, green, blue, and so forth. But yeah, before we go into depth on how to change this, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.